Hey y'all, this is Tucker again. Really didn't plan on making a video on this, but I figured I had to show y'all this bag I got for Christmas. It's for my RC racing and stuff. Um, I think y'all are really gonna like this bag. You can get it from, I think it was Michael's, where my mom got it from. She got it for me for Christmas, Michael's or Hobby Lobby or something like that. But I figured I'd have to show y'all this thing.
So right there, as you can see, there's my old box. My old RC box. I used to use that for all my RC stuff, hauling it around and everything. Kind of a big box. As you can see, I still got a few more things in it. But now, my mom called me up while I was in Boston getting medical treatments. She said, "How would you like this thing right here?" I thought, well, I've got a box, but it looks pretty cool. So I said, go ahead and get it. And now I just now started putting stuff in this little bag. Kind of looks like a Proline bag actually. Of course it's not the same color and stuff. But look at this thing. I mean, this thing is just so cool. I've got like I said, I just started putting stuff in it. I got my Power Shot right here. I got some toolboxes and stuff for my Traxxas and whatever I need. As you can see down here, I got a whole bunch of tires. I got my Speed Treads, my junky stock tires I've had for like 5 years, my Dremel, some rims, a couple more sets of tires. Then up here, as you can see, I got some stickers. I got a lipo checker, and I still got a lot more stuff I could put in this thing. Toothbrush for cleaning my truck. No, I don't use that toothbrush anymore, just so y'all know. Anyway, these little pockets right here, you got one right here. It's got a little pocket out on the outside of it too. Little pockets right here, I guess you can use them for like little battery holders and stuff. I don't have anything in this pocket yet, but I do have stuff in this pocket. I got my tire glue, my hot glue gun, and some tire bands in there. And I'll just leave that open. And this pocket right here is kind of a bigger pocket than the other sides. As you can see, it goes way down in there, probably all the way down to the bottom. Now it's got like a little pocket right here. You can put some stuff in. I know there's not a lot in here, but I mean, I'm still putting stuff in it, like I said. You can see right here, I got some oil right here. I think I don't remember if these are the shock oil or wait, that's 6,000 diff oil and 45 weight shock oil, and then I got some battery terminals right there. Right here, I got my manual, and like I said, I'm still putting stuff in it. In fact, I'll put a couple more things in it. As you can see right here, I'm gonna put my the stuff I clean my bodies with and everything. I recommend this stuff too. I don't know where you can get it at actually. We got it at a car show we went to. And we won the car show, and they gave us a whole bunch of stuff, and that was in it. Also, forgot to mention, y'all probably already saw it, but my transmitter's right here. Let's see, what else could I put in there? I got a whole bunch of little knick-knack stuff I need to put in my boxes. A good friend, Matt, gave them to me. Just a whole bunch of stuff. I could probably build another car out of all that stuff. So, yeah, I got a whole bunch of stuff up here that I could put in there. But right now I just need to worry about finish packing it up right now. As you can see, I got my Slash right there, my buggy, a couple more cars down there, just a little project car I'm working on, and a whole bunch of other stuff. But I just figured I'd show you all this this box and or this bag I should say, let y'all see it and ask y'all what y'all think of it. Do I recommend it? I highly recommend it. I know I don't have a lot of stuff in it, but so far it's holding everything I put in it so far perfectly, and it's very, very organized, and it's a great little bag. I think it was like on sale for like $50 or something. I could be wrong about that. I'm not sure. But yeah, I think that's about it. Just wanted to show y'all this little bag, and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.